Welcome. This is the framework that fixes LLM coding mistakes, built on observations from Andrej Karpathy himself. Every developer using AI coding tools has hit this wall. You ask for one small change. The AI rewrites 200 lines, touches files you never mentioned, and somehow makes 3 things worse. These are 4 rules distilled from Karpathy's observations on how LLMs fail developers, and a single file you can drop into any project in 30 seconds. Stick around for the installation walkthrough. It takes less time than you'd think. Here's the truth about AI coding tools. They are not dumb. They are just overly eager. Mistake number 1, wrong assumptions. The AI dives straight into code on its first interpretation of your request, even when the request is completely ambiguous. Mistake number 2, over-engineering. It adds helpers, utilities, abstractions, and error handlers for scenarios that will never happen in your actual project. You asked for 10 lines. You got 400. Mistake number 3, scope creep. It helpfully refactors adjacent code you never asked it to touch, quietly breaking unrelated things along the way. Mistake number 4, task execution. It follows your instructions literally instead of looping until the actual goals are met. Task completed is not the same as goal achieved. The root cause? We prompt AI like we're micromanaging a junior developer, instead of giving it the clarity of specifications and goals that a senior engineer actually works from. These 4 rules fix that. The solution is a free GitHub repo called Andrej Karpathy Skills by forrestchang. It gives you a Claude.md file for Claude Code, or a cursor.md for cursor. Drop it in any project and the rules are instantly active. Rule 1, think before coding. Before writing a single line, the AI states its assumptions, presents its interpretation of the task, and asks one clarifying question. Rule 2, simplicity first. Write the minimum code that solves this exact problem. No speculative features. No unnecessary abstractions. Rule 3, surgical changes only. Only modify code directly related to the specific request. Never touch pre-existing code that wasn't asked about. Rule 4, goal-driven execution. Transform every task into verifiable success criteria and loop until every single criterion is demonstrably met. Rule 1 of 4, think before coding. Never assume. Always clarify. Ask one question before the first line of code is written. The problem is that AI dives straight into code on its first interpretation. Half the time that interpretation is wrong, and now you have 200 lines going in exactly the wrong direction. The rule in Claude.md tells your AI, before writing any code, present your interpretation of the task, list the assumptions you're making, and ask exactly one clarifying question if anything is ambiguous. Then wait for confirmation before writing a single line. The result, 20 seconds to clarify upfront instead of 20 minutes debugging the wrong output. You catch misunderstandings before they become 200-line mistakes. Rule 2 of 4, simplicity first. Minimal code. No extras. No future-proofing. Solve exactly this problem and nothing more. The problem, AI adds helpers, utilities, abstractions, and error handlers for scenarios that will never actually happen in your project. You asked for 10 lines. You got 400. The rule says, write the minimum code that solves this exact problem. No speculative features. No unnecessary abstractions. No future-proofing layers. Simple always beats clever every single time. The result, short, focused diffs you can actually read and understand. Reviewable output. Code that stays maintainable long after the AI is done with it. Rule 3 of 4, surgical changes only. Touch only what was asked. Leave everything else exactly as you found it. The problem, AI sees messy nearby code and helpfully refactors it. You asked to change one function. You got a reorganized module with 40 changed lines and no idea what's actually different from before. The rule is strict, only modify code directly related to the specific request. Do not refactor adjacent code. Do not fix unrelated style issues. Do not clean up nearby functions. One scope. One diff. 0 surprises. The result, every diff is exactly what you asked for. Code reviews take seconds instead of minutes. Silent breakage drops to 0. Rule 4 of 4, goal-driven execution. This is Karpathy's most powerful insight. Give success criteria, not instructions, and let the AI loop until it gets there. Here's the wrong way. You say, add a login form. The AI adds a form, marks the task done, and moves on. It doesn't verify it works, doesn't validate the input, and doesn't test edge cases. Task completed is not the same as goal achieved. Here's the right way. You say, users must log in with email and password. The form must validate on submit. It must be keyboard accessible. Verify it works end to end. Now the AI has real, testable success criteria to loop against until everything passes. Karpathy's exact words, LLMs are exceptionally good at looping until they meet specific goals. Don't tell it what to do, give it success criteria and watch it go. Now let me show you the 30-second installation. Step 1, go to github.com/forrestchang/Andrej Karpathy skills. Clone the full repo with git clone, or if you just want the single rules file, use curl to grab Claude.md directly from the raw URL. Step 2, copy Claude.md into the root of your project. Claude Code reads it automatically before every session, no plugins, no configuration, no extra setup of any kind. For cursor users, copy cursor.md into the .cursor/rules directory in your project root. Cursor picks up MDC files from that folder automatically at startup. That's it. Restart your AI session and the rules are now active. Every conversation in that project will follow Karpathy's 4 principles from this point forward. Let's see it working live in a real project. Once installed, the behavior changes immediately. You will notice the difference on your very first ambiguous prompt. Claude.md is a plain markdown file that Claude Code reads at the start of every session in your project directory. No plugin, no flag, no configuration required. Here is Rule 1 in action. Give Claude an ambiguous prompt and instead of diving into code, it now replies, I see 2 ways to interpret this, did you mean A or B? Which should I proceed with? That is the rule working exactly as intended. And here is exactly what the Claude.md file looks like inside your project. 4 short sections, 1 per rule. Think before coding. Simplicity first. Surgical changes only. Goal-driven execution. 2 to 4 lines each. Permanent impact on every session. 3 takeaways from today. 1. The problem isn't your AI. It's how you're prompting it. Bad instructions produce bad output, every single time. 2. 1 file, 4 rules, 30 seconds to install. That is all it takes to permanently change how your AI codes for you in every project going forward. 3. Stop giving instructions. Give success criteria instead. Let the AI loop until it actually delivers what you need. The GitHub link is in the description. Find the repo at github.com/forrestchang/Andrej Karpathy skills. It's completely free. Which of these 4 rules has your AI broken on you the most? Drop a comment below, I read every single reply. If this helped, hit subscribe for more AI coding tools and developer productivity content every week. See you in the next one.